What is up, man? Shit. Over here jamming with Abby, or on Abby, whatever. 60 strat. And I'm playing through my DeVille over here, 410. Man! As well for over here, have my steel string singer. And I'm playing on the middle, well, not middle. Here's full on volume. I have some little soul vibe going on. What is it? Like a Leslie or vibratone, whatever. I have it on the inside. There's a little switch or a swivel. You can use like a flathead screwdriver and make it more treble or more bass. I have it more on the treble, but not as much, so I can still get some bass through it, through the steel string and into the Fender DeVille and Abby. Oh man, it's like almost Texas tone. Too bright. I'm not going to do that one yet. Well, shit, I don't know what I'm going to be doing today, so hey, might as well just start. What's up?
Sounds like you're going to be eating popcorn.
Yes.
Don't eat that whip while you're playing because you'll get grease all over your...
Actually, man, how long ago was it? I watched the Stevie's live version of Italy. I think it was 88. Bro, holy crap! His tone, wow. But don't get me wrong, I like the one from live at Capitol Theater, or just Capitol, of 85, I think. Bro, wow. Anyway, I screwed up.